Can a spice commonly associated with holiday baking and toothache relief actually hold the key to transforming your overall health and well-being? Clove water, made by infusing whole cloves in water, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. This humble spice is packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and other nutrients that can have a significant impact on our overall health. Here are 5 amazing benefits of drinking clove water. 1. Natural digestive aid. Clove water has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The eugenol present in cloves can also help stimulate digestive enzymes, making it easier to absorb nutrients. 2. Boosts immunity. Cloves contain a powerful antioxidant called eugenol, which can help protect the body against free radicals and oxidative stress. Drinking clove water regularly can help support immune function and reduce the risk of illnesses. 3. Relieves menstrual cramps. Clove water has been shown to be effective in reducing menstrual cramps and other symptoms associated with PMS. The anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties of cloves can help relax the uterine muscles and reduce pain. 4. Supports oral health. Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for toothaches and other oral health issues. The antibacterial properties of cloves can help reduce plaque, bad breath, and gum inflammation, promoting healthy teeth and gums. 5. May help regulate blood sugar. Some studies suggest that clove water may have a positive effect on blood sugar levels. The eugenol present in cloves can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose levels, making it a potential natural remedy for managing diabetes. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Cheers to your health.